Hi, this is Mariana Neckerhardt-Mandana. These are difficult times for many of us and present huge challenges for our health. We are not health professionals, but we would like you to meet some experts who may have interesting answers for us during this global health crisis.
We all hear about the importance of our immune system for protecting and maintaining our health, and that's never been more urgent than now. There are all kinds of health tips making their rounds, from increasing our intake of vitamins and antioxidants to trying all sorts of superfoods or things like kombucha or probiotic supplements. While some of these can be beneficial, especially if you are deficient, the general benefit when it comes to protecting you from a virus is doubtful.
Of course, there are common sense approaches like getting enough sleep and exercise, eating a balanced diet and keeping stress-free if you can. That's all well and good, but is there any science on the horizon which could help support our immune response to viral infections?
Actually, there is. It's a relatively new area of medical research called Redox Biochemistry. Redox Biochemistry highlights the importance of cell signaling in the body. That's our cells' ability to communicate with each other. This cell communication is absolutely critical for our body's innate ability to heal itself and to stay healthy, especially when it comes to activating our immune system.
Listen to 3 medical experts talking about the significance of this Nobel Prize-winning research. Meet Dr. Gary Samuelson, PhD and atomic medical physicist who developed this new technology. Dr. Robertson Ward, an acclaimed community medical physician and researcher who applies the science of redox biochemistry in his own functional clinic, and Anne-Louise Gittelman, nutritionalist, health pioneer and best-selling author of numerous books on nutrition. Watch the short video, and if you want to talk or need more information, simply visit our website or get in touch with us via our contact details at the end of the video. See you later.
See you later.
Redox signaling science is basically a very new field. It's only been around for about 10 years. Scientists are gradually getting involved with redox signaling because they realize that it's such a fundamental process in human physiology. Plants and animals and lower forms of life and all forms of life use redox signaling messengers in order to repair themselves.
SOD or catalase, well-known antioxidants. Glutathione is poorly absorbed, as is SOD, because the molecules don't easily break down in the system. But antioxidants are not new news, my friends. There's a ton of research about vitamin C and vitamin E and astaxanthin, but none of these superstars are native molecules to the body. We don't innately produce vitamin C, so we must take it in foods or in supplements. But who knows the correct type of vitamin C these days? Is it ascorbic acid or food-based C that you may be allergic to, with bioflavonoids or without? You know, the scientific world has published more than 15,000 studies on the topic of redox signaling molecules, so we're certainly standing upon the threshold of a new era.
The field of redox signaling actually is expanding. We're starting to gain a lot of knowledge. There are journals, for example, that talk about this. There have been Nobel Prizes won by people who have looked at redox signaling compounds in different cell receptors. And by the way, these same compounds that are used in redox signaling are antimicrobial. They're the same things that kill bacteria from our immune system. In fact, they're the weapon of choice. Basically, if it doesn't kill the bacteria, it doesn't get killed. And so it has to be very effective. These things have to be very effective against bacteria. Here we found something that was absolutely non-toxic and yet could touch all of these oxidative processes, or normalize, I should say, the homeostasis inside the cell, we believe. They also killed microbes, by the way, in under 30 seconds for all tested bacteria. Even the over 30 resistant strains were killed instantaneously almost by these compounds. But there was no effect on the beneficial flora that is in the gut. We could drink bottles of this stuff, literally, and have no effect on the microbiome.
The reason that we need to be aware of our 21st century infections is because there's limited amounts of what we can do medically. So are we just going to sit around and be sitting ducks? No, let's not do that. Let's do some things that are proactive to support our immune system to a vibrant level so that we can kind of take on these things and do our part. So our immune system is an important body system. It revolves around our white blood cells that are like sentinels going out and taking care of business. They're always doing surveillance. So it's important that we remember that these white blood cells that are so critical that we take for granted, that are going to hopefully help us get a first line of defense against these 21st century germs, or any germ, are going to be fully capable. So what do we do to improve the capability of our white blood cells? Well, redox molecules are released in tissues as the first cry for help from a white blood cell. So if there's a germ invading a cell, that cell will release redox molecules, and they are like calling to the white blood cell for help. And either the white blood cell gets the message or not. And sometimes that depends on whether or not there's enough molecular messenger cells, molecules, to get out there. So if it's a weak response because there's not enough redox molecules around to work with, that call may go unanswered. And that's a problem because they're not going to come around to surround the germ or the sick cell that's been invaded. That's what we want them to do. I know that as we supplement redox molecules, we support many of these basic reactions in our body. And I can't emphasize enough how it works at a deep and core level in our physiology to support these things. So I hope this is helpful. We do not need to be victims of germs.
The idea or the possibility of being able to stabilize redox signaling molecules and use them as bioactive, non-toxic agents inside our body is phenomenal. And it will make a difference, and it will be the future technology that will affect almost all areas of health science and well-being.
So, is this new technology available, you may ask, and why haven't I heard about it? You'll be pleased to know that it is available right now. And why haven't you heard about it yet? Well, remember antioxidants? Like vitamin supplements, which were not well known before the 1950s, hardly anyone had heard of antioxidants before the 1990s. Both are mainstream these days. For now, Redox Biochemistry is cutting-edge science. Not many people are aware of its existence, but making it available in a consumable form is nothing short of a real breakthrough in health science. I know it works because I use it myself as my health insurance, and so is my wife, family, friends, plus many thousands of people all around the world who report amazing results, overcoming major health issues, gaining more energy and mental clarity, better sleep, adding more life to our years and more years to our life, heck, even looking a lot better. Some doctors call it the new science of healing. If you would like to know more, just get in touch with us. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.